Hello, young athletes! Today, we're going on an exciting journey to learn all about the Olympics and its amazing history. From ancient games to modern sports, we'll explore how the Olympics started and what makes it so special. Are you ready to dive into the world of the Olympics? Let's get started! The Olympics are a big international sports event where athletes from all over the world come together to compete in different sports. It's a time to celebrate athleticism, teamwork, and friendship. The games include running, swimming, gymnastics, and many other exciting sports. Let's travel back in time to ancient Greece, where the first Olympic Games began over 2,700 years ago. These ancient games were held in Olympia and featured events like running races and wrestling. Only men could compete, and the winners were celebrated with olive wreaths and great honor. In 1896, the modern Olympics were revived by a man named Pierre de Coubertin. The first modern games were held in Athens, Greece, and they included many of the sports we see today. Since then, the Olympics have grown, with athletes from around the world coming together to compete every 4 years. The Olympics have some special symbols that are known around the world. The Olympic rings represent the 5 continents and are a symbol of unity. The Olympic torch is carried from Greece to the host city and lit at the opening ceremony. And the medals gold, silver, and bronze are awarded to the top athletes in each sport. The Olympics are not just about winning, they're also about sportsmanship, teamwork, and celebrating the spirit of competition. Athletes support and cheer for each other, and people from different countries come together to share in the excitement of the games. It's a time to show respect and celebrate our differences. Here are some fun facts about the Olympics. Did you know that there are over 30 different sports in the Summer Olympics and 7 in the Winter Olympics? Each host city also creates a special mascot to represent their games, and there are many amazing records, like the fastest sprints and highest jumps, that are set during the Olympics. Our adventure into the world of the Olympics has been incredible. We've learned about the history of the games, the special symbols, and the Olympic spirit. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. Keep dreaming big, and maybe one day you'll be a part of the Olympic Games too. See you on our next adventure.